Hi guys, thank you for stopping by to share with Julie today. I hope you're having a fantabulous day today, guys. In this video, I'm answering a question: how do you get your herbal teas or formulas to last longer? And I would say if you want your herbal teas and formulas to last longer, what you could do is you could use vegetable glycerin. Some people also use alcohol, especially where they're making tinctures, but I personally would use vegetable glycerin. And also, some people may put them in pouches and put them in the freezer, but that can be a bit cumbersome. So you'd have to decide what would work for you. If it is you're going to use it over the 2 to 3 days, you can put it in the fridge. Just simply, ensure that you strain it properly. But for me personally, I would not use it more than 3 days in the fridge. That's my personal preference, because I think just as though, and it would go bad. So it is necessary, if we're going to keep herbal formulas over a period of time, that we add something to it to preserve it. And so usually it's vegetable glycerin or alcohol, but like I say, I would prefer vegetable glycerin. So that's one way to do that. And I do have some formula suggestions on the blog italisvital, which is italisvital.info, and you can check that out, and to get an idea of the proportions of what you can use in terms of vegetable glycerin to how much how much herbal formula you have. In terms of quantity, you can to estimate how much you need to add. And so that's something that you could consider using. I hope you found this useful. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And most importantly, be the change you'd like to see in this world. Have a fantabulous day today. Ta-ta!